friends, welcome to my channel. Here you can watch all the interesting and practical videos. All the content of this channel is based on the reliable medical sources of the world, and the available instructions have been tested by countless people and are 100% real and doable. So feel free, use these formulas, and enjoy the results. Today I am with you with another video, so stay with me until the end.
This year, the month of Ramadan coincides with the arrival of spring for countries located in the Northern Hemisphere, but stay with us to quench your thirst with Purslane in Ramadan. Purslane, which is usually used as a car in the garden of houses, next to streams and in wet areas, it may not be of much attention, but now important discoveries have been made about it, which has been given the title of Global Panacea by the World Health Organization. This plant is mentioned by this organization as the most commonly used medicinal plant in the world. Due to its cold nature, this herbal plant is very useful for quenching thirst. Especially upon entering the holy month of Ramadan, we recommend you to eat this useful vegetable in iftar and suhr. Quenching thirst in Ramadan by consuming purslane eggs. Summer is the peak of bile. Consuming dried purslane relieves heat and dryness and relieves pain caused by heat in the body. It is also very useful for preventing and relieving severe thirst during Ramadan. It is better to use syrup containing purslane seeds or parsnip vegetables during iftar and suhr meals. Bo Ali Sina believes that this plant relieves heat, thirst and bile. Dry temperaments should consume enough liquids and vegetables, especially purslane, during the interval between iftar and dawn. The formula for quenching thirst during the day, which was also the secret of the monks. Half pound some purslane and soak it in sour buttermilk. After soaking for a few hours, let it dry and repeat this process up to 3 times. Consuming a small amount of this product can supply the body with sufficient fluids and minimize thirst. Deliver.
I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for being with me. If you like the video, please like it. Every week, a lot of interesting videos are posted on the channel, so subscribe now and press the bell button.